So I busted these guys into components, right? So I got this 13.616, right? And I got 20.967, right? So where does this all go? Where does the 13.616 go? VI for which? For horizontal, there we go. That was Brian Peñalosa, folks. Right? And then what's this? What's the final velocity? And then what's this one? 0. Okay. And then where does this 20.967 go? For vertical, there we go.
Who's that?
That was Gunnar Gustaf's son. Gustav's son. Okay. All right. And then what's our acceleration vertically? Negative 9.8, right? Yeah. Brain freeze. I don't know what it is. It's the same thing every time, right? Okay. And then this is 0. What's our final? We're hitting the ground. So what is this guy? Negative that one, right? Yeah. Okay. So that's just setting it up. Are there questions about what we know?
How is that negative? Well, I know that the versely,
Yeah.
final velocity and initial velocity are just like
Right.
the opposite of each other.
Right.
When would they not be the opposite?
Whenever you're not landing on the same level, right? So if we're talking about like hitting a wall at some time in the middle of the flight at some elevation, or if we shot it up off a cliff, right? But then we'd have to know how high the cliff was, right? So the question was, when is this not true?
So when you start at the ground
And end at the ground, then that's true, right? So this is true only, all right, if and only if level. If level.
Tuesday party, we're not partying right now. Yeah.
After school, the party begins. We put the music on. It's like any party you've ever been to, only there's no music, no food, and people do physics.
Well, that doesn't sound like a party.
It's a party. No, it's a party. Okay, are we ready to keep going? So how did you find time? Did we find time? I used VF as VI plus AT. Yeah? So negative 20.967. So let's see, that times 2 divided by 9.8. Do you guys get like 4.279? Yeah? And then the time goes across. And then, how do we find this? Is that just VIT? Yeah? Really, it's X is VIT plus 1/2 AT squared. I'm going to say this over and over because people are going to want to use X equals VIT for this side, but you can't. Time I did VF is VI plus AT. So basically, all you do is you just double this. Don't you just double this, divide by 9.8? I've done enough of these problems that I know this.
A is 0, it'd just be VF equals VI.
Right, that's true on this side, right? VF is VI, because this is 0. Right? And now I can just multiply this by this, can't I? So that times 13.616. 58.3 meters. Yeah.
How do you find the speed of light?
Yeah. So let's. How are we doing here? Is everybody, have you guys been working along? Are you this far? Yeah. You're almost there. Okay.